How to determine if a dataframe column contains a particular list, independently of its order? I have this dataframe. I would like to know if col1 contains the list B, A, D, without caring for the order of the lists, those inside the column as the one to check. I would like therefore to get here a true answer. How could I do? Thanks.
If values are not duplicated, you can compare sets. If one scalar output true or false, test if at least one true in column by series.any.
Use Fic method of get_dummies.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.